How to add products to cart in Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz, then log into your account. Next, use the search bar or browse categories to find the product you want to purchase. Click on the product to open its details page. Once on the product page, review all the product information including price, quantity and specifications. If everything looks good, click the Add to Cart button. This will save the product in your cart, allowing you to continue shopping or proceed to checkout later. You can view your cart anytime by clicking the basket icon at the top right corner of the website. From here, you can update quantities, remove items, or continue to check out when ready. Adding products to your cart helps organize your shopping and ensures you don't miss any items you want to buy. Now you know how to add products to the cart in Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.